Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have 3 cases here from the company Moth. They were kind enough to send these out for review. So as you can tell, they're all the Movos series, which is awesome. They're all MagSafe compatible. This one's their lanyard version, which if you go on their website, you'll see 2 versions, the regular one and then the one that's a lanyard compatible one. Which I'll show you what that is, but it works with their lanyard system that they have. So these are the Misty Cove colors here. Then we have the taupe version here as well. So as far as the way to get it out, there's a sticker there. There's one. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do that for all of these real quick. All right, so like I said, let's start with this taupe one here. So get that out of the way. And it looks like we just opened it up like a book. Voila, pop that out. Let's get this out of the way. Put that to the side. Let's get these out. Then last but not least, now for this lanyard system one, there's the look here where it's talking about it's compatible with their Moth lanyard. It says it's sold separately. Unfortunately, they did not send me that, so I can't really show that off. But as you can see, you can do it around the neck or crossbody style, all that good stuff. So it's like this anchor system that they have for 2 lanyards, which is, I guess, kind of cool, you know, if you like to rock a lanyard. So they included this part here that goes in the actual case. So as you can see there, it shows that it just kind of goes in like so, I guess, yeah. And then you can adhere to the lanyards right there. Looks like there's some 3M tape there that might adhere to that. So not really going to mess with that in this video because since I don't have the lanyard. So if we look at these side by side, that's what you can tell right there is one, it's got that little indentation there where that lanyard system goes and the other one does not. So outside of that, they're identical other than that. The other thing is you can see is that's the main difference right there as well. So for the lanyard version, you have much larger cutouts where those will go through, whereas opposed to the one that's not the lanyard version, it's got little dots there for the speakers as well. So yeah, so since I don't have the lanyard system, I'm just going to put that one to the side and we're going to focus on these 2 here just to look at the color difference. Has this really nice vegan leather to it. Smells kind of like leather. But yeah, so, and then you're getting 3 feet of drop protection with it. And in the interior though too, it's just really nice material, like a velour kind of material here. So I'm going to slap this one on first because I like this color out of the 2 the best. So let's see how the install is. So pretty straightforward. And there we go. So that's the look. Looks pretty nice actually. Feels pretty good. Has a nice texture to it. I like the look of the camera bump design. It's just a simple look, but as you can see, they are recessed in there very nicely, which is nice. And then has some very minimal Moth branding there as well. But that material feels really good. Then we got a power button here where it looks kind of, it's like a brushed aluminum look, but it's kind of nice. It's not, it's kind of dark or kind of a gunmetalish color. And then that's the design that they went with for the camera cutout there for the camera control button. So a lot of case companies are just kind of cutting a specific cutout. They just decided to go all out like right there, which I mean, I'm okay with it. It's fine. And then as you can see here, this, since this is the non-lanyard version, you just got the dots here. And then of course, our nice cutout for the USB-C charging port there as well. And then that's the design there on the side. So you got your 3 buttons there for the volume up and down and action button. And then that's the look there. But it looks very slim, very simple, nothing too crazy with it. If I do the wobble test, face down, there's no shaking going on. And back down, definitely some shaking going on. So, I mean, once again, it's an iPhone. It's going to do that. So I guess, yeah, no complaints there. So let's get it off real quick. And let's pop on the other colors so you can kind of get an idea of what that one looks like. So just trying to see how easy it is to take off. I don't want to bump the desk too much and shake the camera and all that. But there is the Misty Cove color. So it looks very white, but it has like a hint of gray kind of to it. It's kind of a hard color to describe. I mean, I would say it's definitely more white than anything for sure. But they went with kind of more of a lighter, more aluminum look for the buttons. As you can see there, this one's a little darker, this one's a little more of like I said, like more of a polished aluminum style, but it still looks brushed, that's for sure though. So it's got kind of that raw look there. Same design there, all that good stuff. So with this case on, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's do the power button first. So very clicky. And volume up and down. Very nice. Action button. Oh yeah, that feels very good. Very clicky. And then let's see how this design goes for the camera control here. So just kind of playing around with it. Let's see, zoom out in, all that. Taking a picture. Yeah, works pretty good too. So no complaints at all with that as well. So now let's go ahead and test the MagSafe capabilities since this is a MagSafe case. So first let's slap it on, and as you can hear and see, MagSafe charging compatible, so we're good there. Now let's see how strong the magnets are. Pretty strong. I mean, it's not going anywhere, so that's a good thing. So if you have any kind of MagSafe accessories in your car or on your desk, then it's gonna do just fine. So that's about it, guys. So I gotta say, I mean, you're not getting a massive amount of drop protection. It is only 3 feet is what they're rating it at. But if you're looking for a more premium filling case, I would have to say with this vegan leather that they've gone with on this Movos case, it feels really nice. I would definitely say the taupe is more of my favorite color, even though I'm kind of digging that Stormtrooper look with the white and the black there. But I definitely think taupe is more of my cup of tea. But yeah, guys, I really, really like this case. It's pretty nice if you're looking for a leather slim case that's simple and gets the job done. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and see you on the next one.